Welcome back. Whether you're going to be transferring information in or out of Skool, you need to be assured that you are collecting some information. One of the ways that you'll do that is with your plugins. You're going to want to make sure that your membership questions are going to be turned on. And at minimum, you are going to want to collect the name and email address by asking the person that becomes part of your community what their email address is. If some services need for us to collect the first name and last name, we are also going to want to collect that information also. What you'll notice is that you have 3 questions available to you. And so in this case, we are going to eliminate the first question, and we're going to collect the last name in the membership questions. What we can do in this case is we can order the information the way we want. So for example, we can move some questions up, and we can have the questions ordered in the way that we want. Now, this is going to be the minimum level of information that we're going to need in order to do integrations most effectively. Now, you may need to ask different questions and you may need to not collect first name and last name, but in some cases, you will need first name and last name in order to move information from one platform to the other. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.